Your cells are spying on you, and if they think you're in danger, they'll burn your body from the inside. I'm the one who figured out how that alarm system really works. Follow me. If you believe understanding inflammation is the key to saving millions, I'm Andrea Ablasser, immunologist, molecular sleuth, and my work uncovered one of the most important danger sensors in the human body, the cGAS-STING pathway. For years, scientists knew inflammation could save you or kill you, but no one understood how cells detect DNA in the wrong place, or why that signal can unleash massive immune responses. I mapped the mechanism. I showed how cells sense foreign DNA from viruses and tumours, and how they sometimes mistake your own DNA for an enemy. That mistake? Autoimmune disease, chronic inflammation, cancer pathways turned against you. Now, because we understand cGAS-STING, we can design drugs that amplify the signal to fight cancer or silence it to stop inflammatory disease at the source. This isn't just immunology. It's a master switch for some of the biggest medical challenges of our time. Follow me. If you believe healing starts when we understand the alarms built into life itself.